We are Jera Line, a factory that produces the cable infrastructure products for outdoor deployment. You are watching the video tutorial, of aerial installation of fiber optic drop clamp. Products key features. Allows installation with pole bandings or pole bracket. Full dielectric, UV resistant and durable thermoplastic, for outdoor applications. Easy installation, one-piece design, prevents any part from falling. Designed to suspension the fiber optic cable. Please watch the installation with pole bracket. Our mass production facility allows reaching the required delivery time. Welcome to contact us, to have more details about drop cable clamps, and related products.